Now on Windows XP, I'm going to talk about basic configuration. This is going to be a simple procedure right here. We are just going to click on the desktop, right click, and then click Properties. Now we got Display Properties. Let us go to the Windows XP theme, and we'll click Apply. And as you see, the desktop, the background has changed. Now let us go click a different JPEG. And let's see. I think John Doe will like the Moonflower. That's kind of interesting. Let's find something just. We'll click with the sand right here. We'll just click Apply, and then we just click the back right there, and you see the desktop has changed again. Now we have different options with the screensaver. The screensaver is a very useful tool, especially if you have to leave your computer. And with leaving your computer on and having no screensaver, you do run the risk of burning an image into your monitor. And with the screensaver, that prevents the screen burn, and it saves you several hundreds to $1,000 of issues that you just could have easily avoided. And we'll change that, but let's go to Client Object. Let's preview. And there we go, the screensaver works. We'll just click Apply, and then let's go to the style here. We can go to the Windows Classic. The old gray almost looks like Windows 95 right here. And there we go. Now I prefer the Windows XP style over the other appearance right here. And settings. Now we could, depending on the monitor that we have, we can change resolution, bigger to smaller, depending on the pixel rates right here. But right here, that is, let's go to the 600 right there. And that is the recommendation for Windows XP. And let me see if I can. What I'm looking for is they do have other options right here so that we can customize the desktop. We change the icon size. That's okay. The font size right here, we can change to large. Let's go to extra large fonts right here. And then we can just click OK. And that makes it a little bit easier for some of us who are getting older and just can't see those icons as clearly, or some of those applications. So that is one of the best bets with XP right here, is that we are able to change all that to the user's okay, and that will be everything on the basic configurations of Windows XP. Now the final instructions for this presentation is configuring a network using Windows XP. This will be simply done by going to Start, and then we'll go to My Computer, and then My Network Places, and then we'll set up a home or small office network. Click next, and then we could review the checklist for creating a network. This may take a few minutes. Looks like I'm having issues with that, so I'm just going to click next. Now the network setup wizard, the wizard just found a shared internet connection on the computer, unknown internet connection sharing device. And we want to click yes, use the existing shared connection for the computer's internet access. And we're going to rename the computer's description. It can be anything you like. And we'll just go the V machine, since the Windows XP is that we're using is the virtual machine of Windows XP. And the name of the computer can be anything else you like, but we're just going to leave it the same. And now the work group can be anything you would like, but right now there is a network in this household, and we're going to name it Cyberdyne. And then we do have two options right here that we can turn on file and printer sharing. Now this can be easily avoided, that you can have your computer able that other users won't be able to get onto this computer, but for right now we're going to just turn on the file and printer sharing since we do want to have people access this computer. So we're going to click next, and unfortunately we're not able to create a network setup here, so we're just going to just finish the wizard and then finish. And as you see, this is what is locally on my network, what is easily shared right now, and we're going to access one of the hard drives that are on this network. And right now, let us go to one of the televisions. And what we're going to have right here is we're going to stream a movie file, or WMV file, from the hard drive. Let us just get some action right here. And as you can see, we are accessing another hard drive in another room, and we have completely been able to set up the network and share files from one computer to another computer. And this completes the information on Windows XP. Thank you very much, and have a great day.